Are you tired of losing contact data because you can't find the right fields in Pipedrive? Watch this to add contacts perfectly every time. It is so frustrating when you're trying to get a new lead into the system and you're just hunting around the screen. You click somewhere, type something, and then where did it go? I've been there. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to save so your contacts are ready to link to deals and activities. No more guessing. Let's jump right in. All right. So first things first, go ahead and open up Pipedrive. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Now, on the left side of your screen, there's a vertical sidebar. Look for the option that says Contacts. Click that. When you click Contacts, the view will expand, and you'll see a couple of choices. You want to select People. Just click on that. Now, give it just a second for the People page to load. You should see a list of any contacts you already have in the system. And here's the thing. This is where a lot of people get tripped up. They try to click on the first empty row or something. Don't do that. Instead, look for the button that says Plus Person. It's usually on the right side of the screen, up near the top. Go ahead and click that Plus Person button. A window will pop up. This is the Add Person window. Wait for it to fully appear. Now, the first thing you'll see is the name field. This is probably the most important one. Make sure you get it right. Click into that field and enter the contact's name. So now that we've got that set up, let's move on to the organization field. This one is really handy, but it's sometimes easy to miss. It's usually right below the name field. If it's not showing, you might need to scroll down a little inside that window. Click into it and enter the company name. This is great because it automatically links the person to their company in Pipedrive. Next up is the email field. Just below the organization field, you'll see a space for an email address. Go ahead and click there and type in the contact's email. And right after that, you'll find the phone field. Same deal. Click into it and enter their phone number. Now, pay attention to this one. Before you hit save, take a moment to review the contact information you just entered. Look at the name, the email, the phone number. Make sure everything looks good. This is your one chance to catch a typo before it's saved. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button. You'll see a little loading indicator as Pipedrive processes it. Give it a moment. And just like that, the window closes. Now, look at your people list. You'll see the new contact right there. It's saved, it's ready, and here's the really important part. You can now click on that contact and link them directly to deals, activities, emails, and organizations. So you're not just adding a name to a list, you're building a hub of information that makes your workflow so much smoother. And that's it. Honestly, once you know where to click, the whole process takes just seconds. I've tested this method countless times, and it always works. So go ahead, give it a try. And if you found this helpful, stick around for more tips on getting the most out of Pipedrive.